The plugin works with Elementor too. Getting started shows the flow. Edit a page in Elementor, drag in the widget, and pick your video. First, create a regular page. We'll name it Video in Elementor and publish it. Now click Edit with Elementor to open the page in the Elementor editor. Search the widget panel for Video Player and drag the widget into your layout. Pick your video and hit Get Link. Add a poster the same way. And there's Big Buck Bunny in the canvas, poster and all. That was a local file. Let's switch the source. Delete the widget and add a fresh one. This time, set video source to YouTube. Paste a YouTube link or video ID. The video loads instantly. Hit Publish. And the page is live. One widget, any source, local files, YouTube, or Vimeo. One last note. The widget also gives you width, repeat, muted, autoplay, seek time, sticky on scroll, and pop-up, all in the same panel.